This plenary session for the Edo State House of Assembly sees the Blessing Agbebaku-led assembly summon the member representing Igor constituency, Natasha Osawaru Idibia. Her summon follows the circulation of viral videos on social media alleging altercations at different times between the legislator and her husband, renowned Nigerian musician Innocent Idibia, popularly known as Tubaba.
Of recent, this precious house, with cerebral members and highly educated members, has been dragged in the mud for too long by our colleague, Honorable Natasha. For the past 1 week, she has been, let me use the word, trending negative on social media and the televisions.
Speaker Blessing Agbebaku stresses that lawmakers must conduct themselves with dignity and responsibility, both in and outside the public eye. Consequently, Natasha Osawaru Idibia has been given 1 week to appear before the House Committee on Ethics and Privileges.
We frown against it and will not take it. On that note, Honorable Natasha should appear before the Ethics Committee, the Ethics and Privileges Committee, to let us know why she is dragging this House into the mud.
The Speaker goes on to brief members of a new development regarding the scheduled appearance of officials of the Federal Roads Maintenance Agency, FEMA, before the House.
By this letter, it means that FEMA is still existing. FEMA is still existing. They are not existing, they won't reply this letter. We thank God that they are still existing. But wait, till the middle of January.
The plenary also sees the first reading of 2 bills. A bill to amend the Edo State Lottery Law, establishing the Edo State Lottery Regulation Commission and the Edo State Lottery Trust Fund, and another bill seeking to establish the Edo State Emergency Management Agency and provide for related purposes. Osawaru Sado, Ait Benin.